What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about HBAR. And yes, I'm out here in nature today. It's a beautiful day, and I figured I'd do my video out here in nature. So I'm going to pull up some charts about HBAR here in a few minutes. But first, I want to talk about just how bullish crypto really is. Everything in crypto right now is set up for one of the biggest bull markets we have ever seen. And we're getting ready to really go parabolic and go vertical and pump for the entire cryptocurrency markets. So what does this mean? Well, this means that we're about to make a lot of money if you have money in the markets. And also, if you feel like you've missed out, there is a ton of opportunity in lower market cap coins, as well as mid caps, and even the large caps are starting to take off. So the way that it works is once Bitcoin really starts to go crazy, everything goes crazy. And there's opportunity to get rich in a lot of different places in this market. So whether you're buying Bitcoin, whether you're buying altcoins, whether you're buying low cap meme coins, there's going to be opportunity for you to get rich in the crypto markets. So let's talk about HBAR. HBAR is looking amazing. We have a double bottom breakout. We have a falling wedge breakout. Here's a chart right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. HBAR is looking ready to break above 35 cents and really go crazy. So I'm super excited about this coin because I believe HBAR will be a top performer for this cycle. It's going to blow a lot of people away and they're going to make a lot of money on this coin. There's a lot of good reasons to be bullish on HBAR, even besides the chart, but we're not going to talk about the fundamentals in today's video. Our main focus is how parabolic the crypto markets are about to go. So you guys, if you have not yet realized just how big the pump is going to be, you better start looking at charts right now and get ready for one of the biggest crypto bull markets in human history. But a lot of people think the markets are going to drop. A lot of people think we're going to go into World War III or the stock market's going to drop. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think is going to happen? Are we going to go parabolic? Are we going to go crazy in the stock market and crypto? Or is everything going to crash and we're going to go into a massive recession? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think is going to happen. I would love to hear your opinions and your thoughts. Also, let me know what you guys think about HBAR. This has been one of the most heavily requested coins in my comment section and in my live streams, and yet I haven't made a lot of videos about it. So let me know what you guys think about HBAR. Do you want more content about HBAR? Do you believe in it? What fundamentals do you like about this coin? And what do you see for the future of HBAR? Now, some of you guys may not know this, but I've been out here for a very long time. I grew up in these woods, basically just playing around as a kid, catching frogs, catching crawdads, and swimming in the creek, and just having a lot of fun out here in these woods. And I've also spent a lot of time in prayer and meditation. So this is one of my favorite places to go to connect with God and feel peace. And so I love the idea of making more videos out here in nature. And based on my last video that I made, everybody wants me to make more videos out here in nature, talking about crypto, still sharing charts, you know, popping them up on the screen, but talking about the crypto markets and just kind of being out here with the birds and really just making more content out here in nature, where it's beautiful and peaceful and breathtaking just to be out here. But yeah, I grew up in these woods playing around. We spent a lot of time building forts, tree houses, catching water snakes, doing everything that you could possibly imagine out here in the woods. It's a beautiful thing to be in nature, and I highly recommend you guys go out in nature as often as possible, if it's possible, depending on where you live and stuff. I know some of you guys are in bigger cities and stuff, but nature is definitely very healing. So with that being said, I believe H-bar will rocket right past 35 cents, which is our resistance level, and we will go parabolic and moon and hit a market cap that people are just not dreaming of right now. We're gonna have a lot of fun playing this coin. We're gonna make a lot of money, and it's gonna be very, very profitable. Now, when things start to go parabolic, when things start to go vertical, people are gonna get really, really excited and very, very irrational. But that's okay, because the bull market is going to be huge. So just keep holding on. There's gonna be a temptation to sell, to take profits early, but the most profitable thing that you can do is hold on. You have no idea how many times I've heard of stories of people that sold some coin that they had, or even stories of myself selling some coin that I had way cheap, way early on in the cycle, and then it did 45x or it did 100x, and I should have held on and could have made like, you know, $5 million on a single trade. So the temptation, people are getting excited. There's going to be a lot of parabolic movement. The temptation is going to be to want to sell too early. Because what I believe is coming for crypto is mass adoption, and mass adoption basically means that the demand for that thing is going to continually increase because it's being adopted by everyday people, and demand drives price. So if there's a lot of demand for something, it's going to drive the price of that thing up. And that's why I believe this crypto bull market is going to be one of the biggest we have ever seen, and we're going to make a lot of money off the parabolic movement that's about to happen in these markets. And I do believe that the long-awaited altcoin season is here. It's starting, and we're getting ready for one of the biggest altcoin seasons we've ever seen in the history of crypto. And it's going to be extremely profitable. The meme coin runs are going to be completely insane. People are going to get stupid rich. So just remember, hold on, keep your investments for longer than you think, but don't be afraid to scale out and take profit as well once you're way up in profit. My view for this cycle is this is the mass adoption cycle. The biggest mistake people are going to make is selling too early. And the best thing that you could possibly do is hold on and let it ride. It might be longer than the other cycles, but let it ride. Let your coins go parabolic and hold on through the mass adoption as crypto as an industry gets adopted by the public. So be ready for big things for H-bar, big parabolic runs coming in that coin. Super excited about the crypto markets. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.